more breaking news coming in. Viewers have heard what Manish Tiwari said in the parliament, and really seeming like Congress's SIR self-goal, that is completely all out, as Manish Tiwari said that all SIR so far are absolutely illegal. They are not bound by the law. He also went on to say, forget past SIRs under own governments. That is now the question that is being asked to Manish Tiwari, to how he's forgotten past SIRs that had happened during the UPA regime, where Manish Tiwari went on to say that there is no legal provision for SIR. He also went on to say that multiple wrongs don't make a right. The BJP has now countered Manish Tiwari. They've said, what about past SIRs that were done during Nehru's rule, when Indira Gandhi was in power, when Rajiv Gandhi was in power? Was all of that illegal, is what the BJP is asking. BJP also saying that Congress MP himself has exposed the Gandhi family.
अब मैं धारा 327 पे आता हूं संविधान के अध्यक्ष जी। धारा 327 जो संविधान की है, उसने संसद को अख्तियार दिए कि वो मतदाता सूची बनाने के लिए, डिलिमिटेशन क्षेत्रों की कैसे हो, उसके लिए कानून बना सकती है। और वो कानून इस संसद ने बनाया, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट 1950, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट 1951 और रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ इलेक्टोरल रूल्स। और आज मैं बहुत खेद के साथ कहना चाह रहा हूं कि देश भर में एसआईआर पे चर्चा है, कई प्रदेशों में एसआईआर हो रहा है, पर मैं बहुत जिम्मेवारी से यह बात कह रहा हूं कि चुनाव आयोग के पास कानूनी तौर पर एसआईआर करवाने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है। और मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाना चाहता हूं, जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट है 1950, उसमें चुनाव आयोग ये कहती है कि उनको जो अधिकार है वो सेक्शन 21 से मिलता है। मैं 21 पढ़ के सुनाना चाहता हूं। The electoral roll for each constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, kindly mark the word each. Each constituency shall be prepared in the prescribed manner by reference to the qualifying date and shall come into force immediately upon its final publication in accordance with the rules made under this act. Ab the said electoral roll shall, unless directed by the election commission etc, ये दूसरे प्रावधान में है। अब तीसरे प्रावधान में रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट का जो कानून है, जो इस सदन ने बनाया है, वो कहता है, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 2, the election commission may at any time, for reasons to be recorded in writing, direct a special revision of the electoral roll for any constituency, not every constituency, for any constituency or part of a constituency in such manner as it may think fit. आगे कानून ये कहता है, जो इस सदन ने बनाया है, provided that subject to the other provisions of this act, the electoral roll for the constituency, एक particular constituency, as is in force at that point in time of issue of any such direction, shall continue to be in force until completion of the special revision so directed.